Welcome to the world of Python. Let's break it down in just 80 seconds. Ready for an adventure?
Python is your toolkit for fast, powerful web development. Watch as Django and Flask create stunning websites in no time.
Turn raw data into powerful insights with Python. Libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib are here to make it happen, instantly.
Python takes care of the boring stuff for you. Automate tasks, manage data, and even control robots, all with just a few lines of Python code.
Whether you're building a website, analyzing data, or creating AI, Python is the key to unlocking your ideas. Let's code something amazing together.
Here's how simple Python can be. Just this one line of code, and voila, you've made your first program.
Whether you're building websites, analyzing data, or training AI models, Python makes it all possible with ease. Python is the magic wand of coding, flexible, powerful, and used everywhere by developers and data scientists alike.
Ready to join the Python revolution? Start coding today and bring your ideas to life.